welcome to the tip of the week. Today, let me give you 3 types of samples that will not give you stronger absorbance bands by going from a single reflection to a multiple reflection ATR. Now, with a sample that we can get good contact between the sample and the ATR crystal, we absolutely expect a multiplying effect. But these 3 samples are problematic because we can't get the contact. Now, think about a multiple reflection ATR and what the definition of pressure is. So pressure is force divided by area. With a long crystal, we can't apply as much force, otherwise we may snap the crystal. And now we're dealing with a much larger area with a multiple reflection crystal relative to a tiny little 2 millimeter single reflection ATR crystal. Now let's start off that list with a loose powder. Again, we can't get that pressure. You're better off going with a single reflection accessory. Next up is a rigid sample. So let's take, for example, plexiglass. It's so rigid, we can't apply enough pressure to get the sample to conform to that large crystal. The third one would be a diffuse, scattering, roughened surface sample. And let me give you an example. So let's say you had a polymer film that had a matte surface, or say a fabric. And now you have these woven threads, but what happens is we can't apply enough pressure to compress either that matte finish on the polymer film or the threads. Despite both of these samples being flexible, but we can't compress it to get that contact. All we're doing is having little points of contact along the crystal. So there's your tip this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.